night to remember before it's too late. Laughter it echoes, the embers burn, but the wheel of time will always turn. Oh, the night we shared, the bonds we made, under starlit skies where memories stayed. The sense of spice, the simmering heat, in the taste of wine, our hearts did meet. We cooked, we laughed, we danced in the glow, then walked our paths where the wild winds blow. Johnny's knife sliced through the air, carrots and onions, a chef's love affair. Pour hard John, a stirring the pot, a secret spice, a touch of thought. George poured wine in glasses tall, Shan's deep voice told tales.